So it has been almost an entire year since I bought my Homika, and I have nothing bad to say about this vacuum. I do want to say that I already have a super heavy duty vacuum that I use on my carpets. I still sometimes use these on the carpets as well, but I wanted something that was super lightweight, something that was cordless, super easy to use, like for every day in my car, on the couch, on the mattress. Like, this does such a good job with that. It's also such a pretty vacuum. I feel like it's so cute. It looks so nice hanging up, and it comes with some good attachments. But yeah, it is like adjustable. It goes down, you can make it short, it goes very long, and then there's like 3 other head attachments. But yeah, I love this vacuum, and I will link it down below.